c'est juste à 12 heures.
What's up?
Au marché.
Well,
Au marché.
I'm going to get to you or the farmer's market. You're not farmer's market.
Ah, ok.
Ah, ils grondent pas.
Ah non, les gars, on ne pas y habituer avec Yannick.
Pour les yeux tout noirs.
And this, folks, is Pooh Bear, the small female of the family. She's missing her fangs.
Look, water droplets.
Yes, and we did say droplets.
Droplets. We're being snarky.
Not droplets, but droplets. Hello.
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 Hello. How are we today?
It's starting to rain.
That's okay. We have our rain hats.
And rain overcoat.
Because I've walked in the rain with this hat, gotten soaked through and through. It's just crushed wool. There wasn't a damn drop that got through to my scalp. I smelled like a wet dog, but I was dry.
Ew.
Yeah, really.
Honky if you love cupcakes. There we go. Good deed of the day. Imagine if a superhero actually used a common store's name, such as Bed Bath & Beyond, as his shtick.
What, that's his battle cry?
Up and away, it would be Bed Bath & Beyond! It doesn't make sense, but... Hey.
Actually, it would make sense if you think that he has to pay his rent. Bed Bath & Beyond! Staples! Business Depot!
Yeah, that would actually help him earn...
NB Liquor!
Earn... that would be just sad. The day that superheroes actually existed and they had to use...
Had to sell out.
Well, not sell out. Selling out is not that bad when you're actually making money, but selling out to the point that you have to use a battle cry that's based on an actual corporation's name or a business name.
Mars Candy Bar! Little Jim's used cars.
Little Jim's used cars, bonkers, fruit candy, cough drops. That's
China white cocaine.
That's just wrong.
Yeah, he's an addict, so he does it in exchange for his fix. He's got white stuff hanging from his nostrils. White China cocaine. Overdose.
Yeah. And I see they're still building something.
Sorry, not white China, China white.
China white or white China?
China white. So I think that was that supremely pure, extremely strong form of cocaine that some years ago got sold to some junkies out in British Columbia, in Vancouver. And they took their regular dose of coke, but they overdosed and died.
Okay.
Because it was about 10 times more potent than what they're used to. Either it was just more potent, or they hadn't cut it right, or they hadn't cut it, period. So it was pure. Forget which. But I know there was a rash of overdoses. Like over a period of a week, like 40, 50 people were found dead in their apartments or their homes, dead of cocaine overdoses.
That's a lot of people.
Lot of people. Lot.
Even more excitement is coming about.
Any idea what you want to do for tomorrow?
Nah.
Me neither.
All I know is that I do need to do my laundry sometime over the weekend.
Okay, we can film you doing your laundry. This is Yannick applying, putting in powder. This is Yannick putting in fabric softener.
No, I don't put in fabric softener.
Okay, scratch that.
And it's not powder. It's liquid.
Ooh.
And now it's raining more. Yeah. And that minivan.
And we just missed the exit to go to the casino.
So we're going up the magnetic field to see if they've opened up the damn perk or if the bridge is still closed. A&W Supreme Sirloin, $4.99.
Am I hearing a cop siren?
Yeah, you were hearing it. Like it was coming from the highway.
Now hiring Summer. Who's Summer and why are you hiring him?
Yes, exactly. Why is there a hiring spree for people named Summer? So folks, if your name is Summer, come get a job out here.
Actually, one place we haven't gone so far, I think, is the top road, High Mountain Road, I think.
Yeah.
The place I used to go bicycling.
I'll go see if this place is open.
Yeah, let's go see if it's open.
If hydro seed, it should be open.
Oh, blue green hiding seed.
It's open. And I've got the truck.
That wharf is actually very pretty to go to in summer when it's a nice day.
Yep, beaver tails. Oops. Ontarians.
Are you lost? You have a pretty bum.
People from Ontario.
The lights are on. There's people, just not very many. What the hell was that a loon?
Yeah, it could be.
This be worth coming back to see.
Are you two together?
What's that?
Are you two together?
Yeah.
You want a picture of both of you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'll turn the camera off now.